Hello my fellow Rangers, we're going to be taking apart this PT140. Now, all you need to do, take out the magazine, cock back the slide, lock it, this is the lock, and then you want to check first inside of the barrel to see if there's any ammo. Then you want to turn the pin clockwise and then pull out. Then you want to pull down on the trigger, see if there's any bullets in there, just in case if you missed it. And then pull down again and pull forward on the barrel, on the full cannon itself. And then inside you will see that there is a spring and barrel right here. Now, to put it back together, take the barrel, slide it in, make sure that these two pin things are facing to the right from the hole niche. And then you want to take these springs, take the biggest end and shove it over here, and the smaller side, make sure it locks in right here. Push it down for good luck. And then take your receiver and then load it or lock it, cock it, and then go back on the slide. Make sure the barrel is facing outwards. Take your pin and insert it. You may need to twist it. Make sure it is in, and then turn it counterclockwise and push it. Make sure it locks. And then put it back as good as new.